This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the system. Create a restore point and back up critical files because boot changes touch low-level files. Once done, get a single PNG sized for the boot area. 800 by 480 works reliably, and move it to desktop. Make sure you run command prompt as administrator. This gives you permission to run the simple tool we'll use. You don't need to install heavy suites. After that, we'll download and prepare the lightweight boot image patcher and verify checksums. Now you operate the patcher with care. Run it as administrator and follow the on-screen prompt step by step. Choose the PNG you prepared. Use the preview to confirm alignment and contrast because boot screens are monochrome in many firmwares. Make sure the tool creates an automatic backup of the original logo. This preserves recovery options. Once confirmed, permit the patcher to write changes to the EFI partition. This replaces the startup logo at firmware level. The change takes effect after a restart. Finish by rebooting and observing the new logo. That confirms success. If the logo appears black, distorted, or missing, restore the backed up original image using the same tool. Most patchers include a one-click restore. If the system fails to boot, enter Windows Recovery and roll back to the restore point you created at the start. Make sure you keep both the original logo and your new PNG on external storage. This lets you revert quickly without reinstalling anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.